please call 3849. Katrina, call 3849.
Lena, 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 Lou. There's my pretty girl. There's my pretty girl. Hi. Elevator butt. Look at that little elevator butt. Good morning, guys. I lost track of time this morning and realized, oh, wait, it's time for the live. Yes. Right, Lena Lou? She says, oh, yeah, we were just kind of busy. Yeah, we were doing emails and stuff. Lovely little Lena. So this is Lena. She was Cackle, and then she was Grumbleina because she did lots of grumbling when she first came to see me. But she doesn't grumble anymore. So she is now just Lena. And she likes her name. She responds to it. Nibbles, nibbles, nibbles. Lena is available for adoption. To the right home. Yeah, she needs somebody who's going to be patient and give her time to settle in, because she does take a while to settle in, but look at what a sweet loving baby when she does. She has to trust her people. She's good with very calm dogs who respect your space. Look at you, she's got a monkey tail. You see this monkey tail? She got a monkey tail. Look at this little monkey tail. You're a sweet girl. And she's been working on little old McDouble over there, aka Little Debbie. I call her Little Debbie because she doesn't make me think of food. And I have to call them something that I can call them. Hence why Lena is no longer Cackle and she is Lena. I think she likes it anyway, because I call her Lovely Lena. Yeah. So anyway, good morning. Coming to you live from Anne Arundel County, Animal Care and Control in Millersville, Maryland, to show you the animals that we have available for adoption and the ones that are here trying to be reunited with their people. Lena! I'm going to show you little Debbie here too. Little Debbie was happy to see us this morning. And Lena likes to go in and say hi. Hey Debbie. Hi. Hi. Look at, she's leaning in for cheeky rubs this morning. This is a first. Yeah. She's leaning in for the cheeky rubs. She wants to make sure we're not going to do anything besides cheeky rubs, but she's liking the cheeky rubs today. Here's my pretty girl, little Debbie. Little Debbie. Who's a pretty girl? Yeah. She's like, what? No surprising me. No surprising me. Who's a pretty girl? She's come a long way too. She's doing much better. Right, Lena? Lena and her have become friends. And it's going to be very soon now where little Debbie gets to come out and run around the office and play with Lena. Yeah. And Lena can teach her about dogs. Right, Lena? What is this? What is this pose? What is this silly pose with your little toe pointed? You're a silly girl. All right, here we go. We're gonna get started. Get this show on the road. I'm done playing with my kitties. I'm gonna take you up to the cat gallery for starters, and then we'll move on to some dogs. If there's any animals in here, like Chicken Noodle, who's in a foster home. Chip, who's for a while fall, summer. The signs that say I'm here for some of these. Lovely, I think, found a home over the weekend. I think. And honey bun are available. If you don't see them as I'm walking through today, they may be in foster. So take a look at our slideshow on our website. And if there's anybody you're interested in that you don't see, they will show up on there. So we're going to start with Poncho. I love it. I have a peg leg. He came in with Lalo. And Lalo, I think, is on the other side of the room. Poncho has been a very frightened boy. He's under surrender, 7 months. Hey, Poncho. Hi. I know. He's a scared boy. I know. I'm so scared. It's okay. He's a handsome blue man, though. But he just doesn't understand why he's here. And he needs somebody to teach him that, I know, we got Ziploc. Ziploc's been in our ISO room. He's one of the Z cats. I finally made it to the cat room. Meow. Hi. Where's a handsome boy? Hi. Hi. I know. He's a handsome little man. Hi there. He says, I'm a scared little boy, but I want to be nice. Don't ya? Little Ziploc. He's a cute little boy. Yeah. He's a handsome little man. We're going to find you a home? Yeah. Somebody that's going to teach you that it's nice to be loved? Yeah. We'll find you the right home, baby. All right. We have little Nix here. Little Nix. We're going to go in after her. She is roughly about 4 to 5 years old, and she's spayed, so she is ready to go. Oh, was that a little sniffle? Hi, Nix. Hi. Hi, cute little kitty. Hi. Oh, bless you. Bless you. You got the sniffles this morning? Oh, my poor baby. Oh, poor baby. It's okay. What a pretty girl. You're so cute. Oh my goodness. Even sneezing, you're so cute. That's little Nix. She needs to find a nice loving. Oh, sorry, baby. I know that was noisy. Trying to do this with one hand. It gets noisy. We have Miranda here. About 3 years old. Came in as a stray. Hi, Miranda. What a lovely queen you are. Oh my goodness, look at that ruff. Hello, beautiful girl. Hi. How are you? Huh? You pretty lady? Yeah? What a pretty girl you are. And we have Dax over here. Owner surrender, about 7 years old. Has been neutered. Let's see. Oh, here, I'm getting ready to show you where he's not. Dax is over here. Hi. Hi, handsome. Yeah. Hi, handsome. He's like, what? What? Here we are. Boy. Alright, we have lovely Coco. Coco and Kai. We have in together 2 ladies, 3 and 6 years old. This is Coco. Hi, Coco. What a pretty girl you are. You have lovely little round cheekies. You can see we had to give her a little bit of a haircut back there because she came in with some mats on her back. But we took care of that. And then we got Kai over here, who is hiding behind the blanket. Let's see if we can see Kai. Hello, Kai. What a pretty girl. Oh, you got little fluffy cheekies too. Look at those cheekies. What a pretty girl. Hi. She's like, oh, what's happening? I was behind my blanket. Hi, pretty girl. Oh my goodness, what lovely ladies. Two very pretty girls. And we have Lalo. All right, so he came in with Pancho. Let's see what we got here. I think one of these, I can see a little floof back there. One of these guys was escaping his cage. I'm not sure which one. Oh, maybe him. Maybe it was him. But at least he's come to where we can see him. Hi, Lalo. Hi. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness, him's a scared little man. Oh, poor babies. They need some TLC. Now Puddin put mouth on one of our volunteers the first like 2 days he was here. He was scared and a little animated, so he's not recommended to a home with kids. He's showing his danger peats there. Look at your little danger peats. Hey, Puddin. Hi. Hi. What are you doing, handsome man? He really is a sweet boy. He's like, oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. Look at that Puddin' Pop. Look at that Puddin' Pop. He's so handsome. You're a handsome man, huh? Hi, Pud. Hi. Such a handsome man. We have little Maggie here, an owner surrender, 3 years old, spayed. Hey, Maggie. You know what, we're gonna try coming in sideways. We're gonna come in this way. Hey, Maggie. Hi, there's a pretty girl. How's my pretty baby, huh? What a pretty lady you are. What a lovely dilute tortie with tiger stripes. Yeah, you're a pretty baby. Oh, you got, oh, what was that? Was that a half yawn? What was that? You're so pretty. Like she offers one peat. Yes, say I offer one peat. What a pretty girl. She is actually a very sweet baby, but I got sneezed on, so I don't want to touch her this morning. I am gonna disinfect my hand real quick. All right. Oh, and I forgot to grab my keys, so we're gonna take the long way around. We're gonna go through the dog kennel next, and then we'll go through some of the back rooms. So that's back and forth. It's noisy in the kennel. our website. Here's Cody. Hi. Hi, Cody. Not sure if I can show that one, but here's Whisper. Whisper. Hi. Hi, baby. Look at you with your little coat head. Look at you, little coat head. Here's your girl. So I didn't give him a Garfunkel. He's already getting walked. Or no, he's getting ready to be walked. No, he's out. All right, we got Majesty here, an owner surrender. Hi, baby. Oh, another cone head. Another cone head. Who's a pretty girl. She must have got scared too. We got Blue. Hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. Who's my handsome boy? How is my handsome boy? You're so handsome. You're the handsomest. Yes, you are, you big handsome boy. We have Trolley. Trolley came in as a stray originally. Trolley! Hi! Hi! Look at that wiggle butt! Look at that wiggle butt! Max, the sequel. Owner surrender. Hi, Max! Max! There's nobody over there. There's nobody over there. I'm right here. I'm right here, Max. Look at that wiggle toe. We got Red, an owner surrender. Hey, Red! Red! Lotus! Over here, baby! Hi! Where you going? She says she wants to go for a walk. We have Ghost, an owner surrender. Hi, Ghost! You big baby! You big baby! Yes, you are! You are such a nice big boy. Really nice boy. Luna. Oh, Luna. Oh, Luna. What are you doing, Luna? Oh, that's a great girl. What you doing? What you doing? Midas? Owner surrender. Hey, Midas. That's my big boy. I don't want your breakfast. What are you doing? Huh? Really? Did we build that for well? Oh, my goodness. Who's a big boy? We have little daddy here. Oh, my goodness. He's a pretty girl. He's so pretty. We have Leo. Came in as a street. Hi. Oh, my goodness. You guys have so much to say this morning. Hey, Leo. Hey, Leo. We got little Zena here. Zena. Zena, Zena, Zena. Oh, there's a pretty girl. Look at that little bushy nose. Look at that little bush. I just want to touch it. I just want to touch it. It's so cute. I can't show you. Let's see. Short. Short to come in with long. I thought you could have come home. Hi. Hi. Oh, all right. I gotta touch you. I gotta rub your cheeky. Yeah. Give me your cheeky. Give me that cheeky. Give me the cheeky. I know. I didn't touch anyone else, so I'm saving it just for you. Oh, my little lovely girl. Oh, Jesus. The kettle's scary. What are you doing? Baby? What are you doing? You're such a pretty girl. Oh, this baby. This lover's been here for so long. She needs a home. She's such a nice girl. Yeah. She's such a nice girl. We gotta find you a home, baby. Yeah. She's a pretty girl. Alright. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Hi, cutie. Hi, I heard you were playing fetch this morning. Yeah, you like to play fetch? Was a good baby. We have Paula. Oh, hi, pretty girl. Hi. Oh my goodness, you got a tail. I hate being in a cage. I'm such a lover outside of the cage. Don't judge me. Say I'm a nice girl outside. Yeah, Jango. What you doing, Jango? Garfunkel. I know Simon. Oh my goodness. Somebody's definitely missing you guys. Where's your people? They need to come in here. And Gravy Boat. Gravy Boat, are you in here? Nope, Gravy Boat must be out walking. Gravy Boat's a chunky lady. You can look up her picture on our website. And I'm gonna swing by and go the back way and around. Give my ears a break. Here we go. We're going the back way. Nobody in the nursery. Any sick kitties today? Oh, I love an empty sick kitty room. That makes me happy. Although the one kitty in the cat room moved. Alright, I need my... We'll go the back way. And we check out receiving. See if there's anybody hanging out in there. Oh, your girl Red is doing just fine. She needs a home. Yeah, long and short, they're really cute. I would have thought, as young and pretty as they are, the people would have come looking for them already too. Oh, yeah. Really? This is why backyard chickens is not always a good idea, because people aren't always very good about keeping them confined. And if people have them as pets, we get them in here. So we'll probably send old Rockadoodle to one of our rescue partners who takes chickens. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Prickly pear cactus, not so prickly. Meow. She's a pretty girl. She had flea allergies, hence the hair loss. But she's lost. She came in as a stray. Look what a pretty girl she is. Yeah, look what a pretty girl she is. And then we have Barbary Fig. Barbary Fig was not happy when she came in either, but look how happy she is this morning. Yeah. Yeah, that's a pretty girl. So, she is a scratch case though. She reached out and tagged somebody who got closer to her cage than they thought she got, and she wanted to reach out and touch somebody, and unfortunately touched with a claw. So now she's on quarantine. All right. So the critters and the cats in the side room. I'm gonna hurry up and take you up to the critters because you've already seen my office keys and my office. I'll go. I want to get my key. I'm gonna take you to the critters first, and then I'll grab my key, and then we'll go to the cat quarantine room, and that'll be everybody. There's nobody in these two offices. Or this one. And we just have some critters. Fuzz Bucket. Fuzz Bucket came in as a stray. Look at that. Look at that fluffy bunny. A very handsome lion head bunny. Lost, because, you know, these wild lion heads, they roam the streets. Look at him, he's so fuzzy. We have Turnip. Came in as a stray. Hey, Turnip. Hi, cute little white bun. You want to come say hello to the people? It's a bunny that doesn't have pink eyes, a white bunny that has black eyes. So I know some people are funky about the color of their eyes, so if anybody out there looking for a white bunny that doesn't have the pink eyes, we have one. And we have Peter Cottontail on Owner Surrender, who's 5 years old. Hello, little Peter. Hi, you're a handsome little boy. You're a handsome little boy. Little Peter Cottontail hopping down a bunny trail. Yeah? Him so cute. You know what? I'm going to show these guys Brisket and Carnitas. And yeah, they're hiding. They're hiding. So 2 guinea pigs. And if their people don't come for them, we will make available for adoption. And pulled pork and kielbasa. Somebody was hungry. So we got one hiding in there. And the other one is out. You look like a little gopher. You're cute. Look at that little piggy. And we have a beautiful lop-eared bunny. This is Noonie. About a year old. Owner Surrender. Hi, Noonie. Hi. What a pretty girl you are. I love bunny noses. Bunny noses are the best. Nim, 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 nim. They have the cutest little noses. And we have Lola. Lola came in as a stray. Hi, Lola. Lola's got some beautiful markings. Aren't you a pretty bunny? Huh? What a very unique and pretty bunny you are. Yeah, another bunny nose. Nim, 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 nim. And we have little Babs here. Came in as a stray. Hi, Babs. How's it going? You could pass for a wild bunny with your markings or your coloring. She says, yes, but wild bunnies have to fend, whereas a nice house rabbit gets fed kibbles. Kibbles and hay. Although it looks like you could use some more hay. Yeah. So that's the last of our critters. I will duck in, grab my key so we can go look at the last few kitties. Hi, Lena Lou. Hi, Lena Lena. Lena Lena Fofina. There we go. What you doing? I saw you meowing at me. All right, these last couple of kitties, just in case there's somebody looking for their lost kitty. I like to show everybody. Oh, happy morning, Anna. I see you got a lot of snow over the weekend. Part of me's jealous. Part of me's glad that I didn't have to deal with all that. Or the power outages. That's never fun. Not so fun. All right. And we do have a few babies in here. We have Hildy. Hildy, I need to work on Hildy. Oh, look at that pretty girl. Okay, I'm not gonna disturb her, but look at that pretty baby. She's so pretty, and she's so scared. And she needs lots of TLC. And we have Sirloin. He has an injury, so he is under quarantine because it's a wound of unknown origin. What a handsome boy you are. You're so handsome. And then we have Milano, who we must have been able to determine rabies vaccination previously. Oh, Milano, you look very upset. Somebody must have some entropion eyes, huh? Is that what's going on with your eyes? You poor thing. It looks very unhappy. Hello, pussycat. I can't show you. And we have Fallon. Hey, Fallon. Hi, baby. The rescue emailed me about you over the weekend. Yeah, they were checking on you. They're still working on a foster for you, baby. Yeah. All right, Fallon is the last kitty I have to show you today. So please share the video so that more sets of eyes can see our critters and we can reach more homes and find more potential adopters. And keep in mind we have rabies clinics twice a month. We are open on a Sunday once a month. Check our website for the dates. Rabies clinics are only $5 for a rabies vaccine and $20 for a microchip if you would like a microchip for your pet. Still no power. Sorry to hear that, Anna. That sucks. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Please be kind to each other and be responsible with your pets. And have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching.